Our Snow Rabbit is just over 1 year old and has been very reliable. The deck flips back and the cab swings forward to give good access for repairs. Best of all, if you have a repair that's impossible to do on the trails, call your local rollback and take the Snow Rabbit to town. There's not enough room to crawl under the Snow Rabbit. Jacking the machine up would be difficult and dangerous. So we had two choices: build ramps or dig a trench. We dug a trench, 18 inches deep and the length of the Snow Rabbit. We lined the trench with plastic and crawl under to do oil changes or whatever. Repairs have been minor so far. We had one hydraulic leak on a plug in the tiller and another leak at a plug on the front blade. Both were easy to repair. Leaking hydraulic oil is red and easy to see on the snow. On one occasion, we had the engine go from 1500 RPM to idle on its own. We think that powder snow was getting into the air filter and freezing, blocking air to the engine. The computer sensed a loss of airflow and derated the engine. We added a layer of 1/4-inch steel hardware cloth over the air inlet, along with a layer of stainless steel screen with 1 millimeter openings. Hopefully the screen will cause the powder snow to drop out of the air. We'll be adding another piece of 1/4-inch steel hardware cloth close to the top of the tracks to intercept powder snow before it gets to our new filter screen. More on that issue later. As far as accessories, we added a lightweight aluminum toolbox to the back deck. We always need various tools with us in addition to a power saw. There's no room in the cab for bulky tools, so the toolbox is a necessity. We added what is known as horse mat to cover the rear deck. It's a 1/2-inch thick rubber pad that can be cut to fit. The pad protects the aluminum deck and makes the deck less slippery. We also added an inexpensive rear view mirror in order to see directly behind the Snow Rabbit. With the toolbox on the rear deck, we can't see the track setters from the cab, so we made indicators for the track setter pans using PEX tubing. The wands show in the rearview mirror and indicate whether a track setter pan is down or up. We figured that with proper maintenance, our Snow Rabbit should last at least 6,000 hours without any major overhaul. For us, that's more than 20 years. We'll see, but that's what it takes to keep grooming.